Hi guys, today I'll be teaching you the NA perm. So before you learn the NA perm, I recommend that you know the JB perm. So that's the really easy J perm. I do have a video on that JB perm, which will be in the description. A link in the description will be for that video. So click on that if you don't already know the JB perm, but I'm sure most of you already know it. So the algorithm itself for the NA perm will be, so you can follow along down below. It'll be R, U, R prime, U, and how I perform that is holding this corner, so then you can turn it up, move it across, and turn it back down using only gripping this corner. And then for the other U, I just do that with my middle finger. But really, you can perform this algorithm however you want, like that, or however crazy way you want to perform it. But I like this way the best because you don't have to, it's really fluid. So after you do this, it's basically just a J perm, the JB perm. So you do have to re-grip to get back into the position for your J perm, which if you don't know how I finger trick it, then again, just watch my JB perm video. But I basically just hold this corner for most of it. And then sexy. Alright, so the last move for JB perm is U prime. But really what you do is a U2. So U prime, so you can think of it as two U primes, or just cancel out the U prime in the J perm and then just do a U2. And then you're basically just inserting this F2L pair, like that. I'll show it to you again. Alright, so first 4 moves, and then the J perm. And then for the last move, I do a U2 instead of just a U prime. And then insert this F2L pair. So yeah, as you can tell, it's a really, really easy algorithm, and the recognition is also really easy. You'll see on every face, there's two that are the same color on the right, and one color that's different on the left. So if you see on every face that there's 2 of the same color on the 2 right pieces, and one of just a different color on the left, and they're opposite colors, so red is opposite orange, red, orange, and green is opposite blue, blue and green, then you know you have an NA perm, sorry. NB perm, which I won't show you in this video, is basically just the opposite. So it would be 2 blues here and 1 green here, 2 reds here, and 1 orange there. So yeah, that's such an easy algorithm if you know the JB perm. And yeah, I hope this video helped, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.